Hey, Cody, we got 211 here with us.
What our firefighters and our regional advisors are doing is that they're assessing where it's actually appropriate to do that. Not all trees would benefit from that wrapping, and so I've seen several today on the other side of the fire, and so it just depends on what's determined.
Most of those trees were unaffected by the fire. Some of them did get fire at the bottoms of them, and we've mopped those up pretty well. So a lot of that area was pre-treated by crews. That means they went in there and limbed up trees and cut down dead trees and made it safe for the public. And that work really helped when this fire came through to protect those giant sequoias. As giant as these trees are, the anomaly is that their seeds are absolutely tiny, about the size of a pinhead, but flat, and they will produce millions of these seeds, but they need fire to do that. So they'll shower seeds down when a fire comes through. The chance of any one of those seeds becoming a giant sequoia is very low, but millions of seeds are released when a fire like this comes through. This ain't their first rodeo. These trees have been through many fires. You can see that on the scars that they have. So I'm confident that most of those trees will be largely unaffected by the fire.